Hello fellow tea lovers, I'm Jane Pettigrew. Are you going to be at World Tea Expo in Las Vegas in June later this year? If yes, why not book a place on Origin's tasting tour, which will take place on Tuesday, the 11th of June at 8 o'clock in the morning. As usual, I will be hosting the day-long session and will be introducing 7 speakers who will guide us through the countries we're going to be visiting and discuss some of the teas that are made there. This year, you will be learning about and tasting some amazing teas from China, India, Sri Lanka, Japan, Nepal, Taiwan, and South Korea. You'll have a chance to taste some fantastic teas like amazing rock oolongs grown in the Wui Mountains in Fujian province in China, and some of those fantastic green teas that are made in Japan and have that gorgeous, delicious, sweet, brothy umami character, and lots of other wonderful teas from the different countries we'll be visiting. By the end of the day, you'll have a really clear idea about the types of teas made in the different countries and a really clear insight into the character and flavour profile of the particular teas that we're going to be tasting. I hope you'll all be there. I'm looking forward very much to seeing you 8 o'clock sharp, Tuesday the 11th of June.